Introduction. In the world of hypercars, few names command as much respect, power, and awe as Bugatti. For 2 decades, Bugatti has created machines that defy physics, challenge engineering limits, and redefine what speed means. But among all the legends, two names stand above the rest. The Bugatti Veyron, the car that shocked the world, broke the rules, and became the first true hypercar of the modern era. And the Bugatti Chiron, the evolution, the rebirth of perfection, a machine so powerful and so advanced that it forced the world to rethink the entire category of speed itself. Today, we're diving deep into a full, feature-length comparison of the Bugatti Chiron versus the Bugatti Veyron. We will explore top speed acceleration engine and power aerodynamics price, rarity technology handling comfort and design owner experience maintenance, and which one truly dominates the hypercar world in 2025. This is the ultimate Bugatti showdown. This is elite car world. Let's begin. Section 1. The history of a legend. Before comparing their performance, we must understand where these cars came from, because the story of Bugatti is also the story of ambition, engineering excellence, and human obsession with speed. The Bugatti Veyron, the car that should not have existed, released in 2005, the Veyron was considered impossible. Volkswagen Group gave Bugatti only one mission: create the fastest production car in the world and make it luxurious. The engineering challenge was insane: a car that could exceed 400 kilometers per hour, yet remain stable, yet be comfortable, yet be reliable, yet be hand-built, yet pass global safety regulations. No car maker on Earth had such a machine. Bugatti became the first. The result? A world-shaking masterpiece with a quad-turbo W16 engine, all-wheel drive 1,001 horsepower, and a top speed of 408 kilometers per hour. The Veyron did not just break records, it reinvented speed. The Bugatti Chiron, the evolution of the impossible. Fast forward to 2016. Bugatti wanted something more powerful, more stable, more beautiful, and more terrifyingly fast, something that made the Veyron look like a beginning. Enter the Bugatti Chiron, a car with 1,500 horsepower, a redesigned W16 engine, boosted aerodynamics, a carbon chassis, and a speed limit that shook the world. Greater than electronically limited to 420 kilometers per hour for safety, but capable of much, much more. In 2019, the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus became the first car in history to break the 300 miles per hour barrier, hitting 304.773 miles per hour, 490.48 kilometers per hour. The Veyron created the hypercar era. The Chiron destroyed the limits of it. Section 2. Engine and powertrain Bugatti Veyron. Engine 8.0 liter, quad turbocharged W16 1001 horsepower, 1250 Newton meters torque, 7-speed dual clutch, AWD. The Veyron's engine is an engineering miracle built with over 10 radiators. The cooling system alone is more expensive than an entire supercar. Bugatti Chiron engine. Same 8.0 liter W16, but heavily redesigned, bigger turbos, better cooling, carbon intake manifolds. Stronger pistons, power output, 1,500 horsepower, 1,600 Newton meters torque. This is a 500 horsepower increase that completely transforms performance. Verdict, engine section. The Veyron is revolutionary. The Chiron is evolution perfected. The Chiron wins by raw power, efficiency, and thermal engineering. Section 3. Acceleration and top speed. Bugatti Veyron, performance 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.5 seconds 0 to 200 kilometers per hour, 7.3 seconds 0 to 300 kilometers per hour, 16.7 seconds. Top speed 408 kilometers per hour. The Veyron was once the fastest production car in the world. Bugatti Chiron performance 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.3 seconds 0 to 200 kilometers per hour, 6.1 seconds 0 to 300 kilometers per hour, 13.6 seconds top speed, 420 kilometers per hour, limited. Real capability, 490 kilometers per hour. Super Sport 300 plus. The Chiron isn't just faster, it's in another dimension entirely. The acceleration is brutal, continuous, and relentless. Verdict, speed section. Chiron wins by a massive margin. The Veyron was the king of its era. The Chiron is the king of physics. Section 4, Aerodynamics and Handling. Veyron aerodynamics, built for stability at high speeds, uses active wing hydraulic suspension, air braking system. The Veyron feels heavy but extremely stable. Handling is predictable but not razor sharp. Chiron aerodynamics, completely redesigned body, larger diffuser, massive air intakes, engineered airflow tunnels, carbon fiber monocoque, active aero with multiple settings. Handling is sharper, more responsive, and more track-oriented. The Chiron feels lighter despite being bigger. Verdict, aero and handling. Chiron wins with next-generation aerodynamics. Veyron equals powerful stability. Chiron equals weapon-grade precision. Section 5, Design and Exterior. Veyron design philosophy. Bold, rounded, simple curves, massive presence. The Veyron looks timeless but slightly classic now. Chiron design philosophy. Aggressive, futuristic signature. C-line shape, LED light blades. Two-tone sculpted body. The Chiron looks like a modern sculpture built for war. Verdict, design. Chiron wins for futuristic appeal. The Veyron wins for classic hypercar identity. Section 6, Interior and Luxury. Veyron interior, leather everywhere, analog dials, minimal screens, simple, elegant cockpit, feels like luxury from the early 2000s. Chiron interior LED lighting, digital displays, carbon console, aircraft-style switches, higher quality leather, more driver-focused. Verdict, interior. Chiron wins for modern luxury and technology. Veyron remains classic, elegant, and iconic. Section 7, Price. Veyron price. Original price, $1.7 to $2.2 million. Current market price, $1.8 to $3 million, depending on edition. Chiron price. Original price, $3 to $4 million. Current market price, $4 to $7 million. Verdict, price. The Chiron is significantly more expensive and more exclusive. Section 8, Maintenance and Ownership. Veyron maintenance costs. Oil change, $20,000. Tires, $38,000. Full service, $100,000 plus parts are rare now due to older manufacturing. Chiron maintenance costs, oil change, $21,000. Tires, $42,000. Full service, $130,000. But easier to maintain due to improved engineering. Verdict, maintenance. Chiron is more advanced but more expensive. Veyron is cheaper to buy but equally expensive to maintain. Final verdict, which Bugatti wins? If you want history, legacy, and the first true hypercar ever built, choose the Veyron. It is a legend and will forever remain the king of its era. If you want raw power, insane speed, and modern engineering perfection, choose the Chiron. It is faster, better looking, more luxurious, and more advanced. Winner, Bugatti. Chiron. But both cars are masterpieces that changed automotive history. Outro. Thanks for watching Supreme Auto Elite. Comment below, which one is your favorite, the Veyron or the Chiron? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car documentaries.